What's going on, guys? It's Ekman Plays Games here, and today I am here on Team Fortress 2 with my homeboy Legendary.
Yo, what up?
And so we are playing. This is my very first video on Team Fortress 2. I decided not to play Minecraft since it's getting really old. So I decided what other games do I like to play, and so I chose Team Fortress 2. And we're on this roll the dice server. If after 80 seconds you can type in RTD, and then you get a special effect. And I just died. Okay.
19 more.
RTD. I have to wait. I have to wait 33 seconds.
Where are you? Did you die?
I'm gonna get. No.
No, that's my thing, but you can take. Hey, boy. Alright, follow me. Bonk boy in the fourth, follow me.
Oh, and guys, this is my first multiplayer video that I've played with friends.
No. Dude, get him.
I found an AFK spy. Ha
Oh, yeah, I was shooting.
ha!
Help me.
Ah! Ah!
I gotta get this help. Zay, come up here. Zay, behind you. Come up here, get this help. Oh, no.
Oh no!
Zay, I'll protect you. Go.
Ah!
Zay, get the help. No.
Got it.
Hello.
All right, geez. Ah.
We're just beating this guy. Run, Zay, he's coming after you.
Oh, he's dead.
Behind you, dude, behind you. Don't let him back that.
Oh, there's a sniper. There's a sniper.
Dude, I'm gonna run up there and get the.
Go get.
Oh no, dude, Uber charged demo man. No.
Oh, Uber charge demo man. Oh no!
Run.
I died.
Dude, I'm gonna YRTD. No.
Here we go.
Are you alive? No.
Here we go.
There, are you still alive?
I'm alive now. I just died.
I'm small.
Are you serious again?
Zay, what?
I'm drugged.
Zay, I'm small.
I'm sorry for the viewers that are watching this. You probably want to skip this part. Oh my gosh.
See me. I'm invisible.
Oh my gosh. I can't see a thing. I can't. Okay, it's over. See, I died. Jesus.
Are you really?
Yeah, I couldn't see anything.
Hey, I'll wait for you by the candy bar.
Okay.
Come over here. Jumping up. I'm bonk.
Bonk boy. There you are.
Hey. Stop those.
Ow.
Oh no! Watch out! There's a guy with a banana hat. Run!
Oh, banana.
Zay, this way.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Zay, I need my sidekick. Where are you?
I just spawned. Where did you go? Bonk boy.
From our evil Bonk, what's nature man? Come on. Yo.
I'm gonna get this soldier. Where'd he go?
Alright, you got him. Alright. No! I almost had
Oh, you died. Got him. I got him.
Stay by there. I'll be there in a
I died.
Okay, I'll wait.
We killed each other.
Hey! Come on. Bonk boy.
Ah.
Boom.
Uh.
Go. Bonk, where are you?
I'm right behind you, boy. Sniper.
I need help clean up the sniper.
Okay. Oh, there's a soldier behind us too. There's a soldier.
No, I'm gonna die.
I have 5 health. I'm dead.
Knocked him into me.
I'm dead.
Hey, should I go, scatter, no, should I go focus?
Yeah.
I'm gonna still be bonk boy.
Yeah, you're still gonna be Bonk boy. Bonk boy forever.
I have the winger.
Yeah.
Where are you? You die?
No, I'm on the blue side.
Okay.
I'm by.
No. Triple jump. Let's go. No! I got killed by a demo. I say, I'll be there unless you die.
Oh jeez. Demo man.
You die.
No, I'm still alive. Oh, got a crit. Dang it. Okay, got an assist.
Help?
Oh, scout. Ah!
Die. No, do not come over here. Dude,
Oh,
come
jeez.
away.
58 health. 58 health. No, you died. Get to the health.
I'm bleeding.
Haha. Go. You killed my captain.
Stay.
On.
No, stay. I'll protect you. Boom. Boom.
Get the
boom.
medic. Get the medic. Get the medic. Get the medic. Okay, I need health. I need health. I'm go. Dang it! I've been bonked. I've been bonked. I've been bonked. Dang it!
Alright, Jay, you go heavy. I'll go medic.
Alrighty, let's do this.
Alright, Jay. Boom.
Let's do this.
Do RTD first. Do
'Kay.
RTD.
And what do I
I'm
get?
snail. Dude,
I got time
oh,
bomb.
you're a radar. Dude, you're gonna blow.
Oh no!
Xavier's gonna explode in 3, 2, 1. Beep, 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 surprise.
I got a candy cane in my eye.
Sane, I'm a snail, so I can't run that. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's go. Oh, Jay, you're going the wrong way. Look, I got you. Boom. Alright, I'm standing behind the corner. Oh, wait, I'm healing the wrong person. I'm bulletproof. Jay, you're gonna get killed. Move,
Oh no!
run. I gotta heal you up. Run, Jay. You're getting sniped. Okay, let me heal you up. Hold up, I'll heal that game. Wait.
Okay, I have 4% health missing. There we go. There's a
I
ghost.
almost have Uber charge.
Yikes!
Charge, run.
Ah!
Ah! He's gonna kill us all. Shoot it. Shoot it. Oh no, it's just a ghost. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Don't waste bullets. No, where'd you go? Oh.
I'm over
Wait,
here.
wait. I have Uber charge. I am fully charged. Yeah, I'm full. No, I got sniped.
Dang it! I got sniped. Dude, I'm going sniper.
Okay,
I'm going sniper against sniper with my huntsman.
go sniper. I'm not using my huntsman right now, but I have Jarrett.
Ooh, dang it. Man, this sniper's good on the other freaking team. They have the sniper.
Try to snipe him. He keeps moving. Dude, you want to rush in Bonk Boy and Force Nature?
I'm gonna try to snipe this guy one more time. Of course I die. Okay, yeah. Where's Force Nature and Bonk Boy.
Dude, Bonk Boy and Force
Let's go.
Come on. Bonk Boy, to the rescue. Wait, medic.
There's a medic. This medic's stupid.
I'm gonna shoot him.
My Force Nature out.
Oh, what?
You died?
He insta-killed me with that thing.
Oh no.
He insta-killed me.
What if the medic was being healed by a medic?
No, that actually happened to me.
Oh gosh. Get the health, get the health. Alright. Oh no, demo man, demo man, demo man, demo
I
man.
need help.
Demo man.
Alright, stay away from me.
Jesus. Yeah!
Where are you? Can you back up?
Yeah.
Where's Nature Man? I see you.
Oh, there's a spy, there's a spy.
Bye. I see him. Oh, there he is. Get him. Dude, that's a spy.
I know, I have to reload. Oh yeah, there's a scout chasing me.
It's him. I'm going in for the bat. Oh, dude, I am low health. I got a
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Please, one. No.
I got the flare gun.
You did?
Yeah, I got the flare gun.
Where you? Alright, dude, where are you?
I'm behind you.
No, don't let
Got him. Got a.
the medic is actually super strong.
Oh, he's Uber. He's Uber. He's Uber.
Yeah. Get out. Run from him. Oh. Dude, he's trying to high five. He's a high five. No, dude, I thought he was trying to high five.
Oh, there's a spy. There's a spy. There's a spy. No, he turned invis. He turned invis. Where'd he go? I'm dead. Oh, I'm just gonna spectate you. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Ha ha!
Yo, dude, you want to see a secret? Follow me.
I got invis. Dude, I'm invis.
What? Dude, go fight. Come on. Go get these guys.
Aha! I
Shoot him.
got him.
Dude, you're in Fizz. That's like OP.
Ha. Okay, I'm not invis anymore.
Wait a secret.
Oh,
So,
how does that medic keep being Uber? That doesn't make sense.
where are you?
I'm on the red side. I'm by spawn.
Come. Hey, I'm right in front.
Oh! Alright.
Hey, where are you?
Right here.
Follow me. I know a secret. It's not really a secret, but watch. Point.
Where'd you go? Oh.
Here.
Dude.
Run into the ladder. Block the arena. Dude, I can jump so high. Look at this.
This is cool.
No. And then like
Mom
down
break
here,
them a little
jump
bit,
into
so
that door.
if you eat them now, then they'll
jump
be
into the
soft,
door.
but once they get cold, they're gonna be rock hard. Just letting you know.
Day.
Yeah.
Hey. Over here. Oh. Go to the other door.
Where?
Here. Alright.
Oh, I see you.
Oh, alright, over here. Follow me. Bonk boys, we're supposed to need you, man. Ah!
Oh, this is a med.
Watch out! Oh, I bonked him! No way! Boink, boink. Oh,
Did you get him?
high five time. I high fived him.
I'm coming for you.
Dude, no one's fighting, dude. Everyone's just high fiving. Yeah! Oh. Dude, high five him.
They shoot them.
Oh, now he's down there stabbing everybody. Ow!
Don't worry. Ah!
Ow! Ow! Ah! Ah! Whew, I'm good.
Alright, dude, I'm gonna bonk him. Hold up. Shoot him. Bonk, boy. Kill him.
Ah. What the heck?
Die. This is unfair.
What the heck?
Dude, he doesn't die. That is so unfair.
He has hacks. I shot him.
Oh, dude, he's an admin.
Oh, he is?
Admin. See, yeah, that would have killed him.
Okay, just don't worry about it. Let's go. Let's go back to battle.
Alright, where are you?
I'm in
Dude,
the...
he killed me.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, dude, his name is Hack. How did you...
Whoa!
Dude, I found a rainbow room.
Wait, what? Where?
Okay, go through that door. Okay, you're here. Come through that door from the spawn. Okay, here. Go through go through this door. I think. Wait, no, don't go through that. Don't go through that one. Let's find it. Let's go back. Okay, try this door.
No, not that door.
It's not that door. Green
Oh,
door.
wait, no, wait.
Not that door.
Oh, this door. This door. This door.
That door.
Rainbow room.
Oh, dude, it's an eyeball.
Yeah.
Give you epilepsy.
Oh, jeez.
Close your eyes and run. Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Alright, Zay, what's the...
Oh, he has the Hadouken. That pyro had the Hadouken.
Oh, dude, dude, you can do that if you have the man or the sports shot.
Keep up on the rainbow room.
I know. I'm trying to leave. Thank you. Okay, I'm going back to battle. I'm going back.
Dude, I'm already in battle. Oh, I'm in here with this guy.
I see you. You just. Wait, never mind. I don't see you. Oh, I have 1 health.
Oh, I killed him. no way, I killed
Say,
him.
they're
You
gonna
did?
be rock hard when they get cold.
Yeah.
Well, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, thank you so much. And why not subscribe for some more TF2 videos and maybe more. And yeah, I guess see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Bonk.